Hey guys, sorry. As you can see, I do not have a cooking video this week, and I do apologize. Time just got away from me, but I am here in my truck, looking at my new dash cam as you're watching me on right now. Be a good sound check on this too, by the way. So, guys, I do want to talk to you about something, and introduce to you an invite to come over to my new channel. Got a brand new channel, and well, let me back up, guys. A couple weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I bought a brand new dash cam for my truck that you're watching me on right now, and I just put it on here for security reasons, and I did nothing but drive around, do my normal thing, my everyday life, going to work, going to the grocery. And what I noticed was, well, 95+% of it is just boring driving. There's clips in there and tidbits within that video that I'm watching before I trash it. That's actually pretty good stuff. Interesting, good skylines, good scenery, just different things, some close call wrecks, near misses, and stuff like that might be interesting to a viewer. So I've created a brand new channel, guys. It's called Drive Time with Ken Rogers, and I promise not to bore anybody with long drives and boring heavy traffic, sitting in traffic with me in it. I'm not going to show you that other than this video. So but guys, if you're into something like that, go over there, check it out. I'll have a link up here. I'll have it down in the description, and see if you like it. Give me a subscribe over there. And I don't know how often I'm going to post. It'd be just as often as I get new material. So the filming's easy. As long as my truck's running, the camera's rolling. So I go through it. If I see something interesting, I clip it out and make a little short video. Most of the videos will probably be anywhere from 30 seconds up to 2-3 minutes, probably tops. And we'll try to keep it in that range and fill it out. And I'm still figuring it out, how we're going to do this, or what type of stuff we're going to film. But I've already caught some great, I drive past an airport every day going to work, so I've got some great footage of some low-flying planes and some beautiful skylines doing it. You'll see some of that if it's nice and attractive or something worth looking at. So guys, again, I apologize for not having a cooking video. I will do my best to have one for next Saturday. And guys, until next Saturday, God bless you folks. Bye-bye.